What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. Today I'm going to be installing the front mount intercooler as well as the charge pipe. I've already got the charge pipe in the car, so now I just have to go put the front mount in there, and I'm heading back over to my boy Pat's house, and he's gonna help me do this install, so it should be pretty smooth. He's a pretty technical guy. It's really only, I think the hardest part is getting the front bumper off, and I've done that countless times, so I mean, it really shouldn't be that difficult. I'm gonna give you guys a hint on what's coming to the channel. I told you it was these 3 things, which now you already know, and one big surprise. I've been working on this now for probably about a month. This has been an ongoing process. It's finally almost ready this weekend. It's gonna happen. So I'll give you a hint at the end of this video of what it's gonna be, and I think and I hope you guys will be excited about it, because I've been I can't get it off my mind. I'm just way too excited. So stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll give you guys a hint as to what it is. I just right now need to go over to Pat's and we'll get this rolling. So stay tuned, guys. Can be. It can be on videos.
There it is. Look at Pat's dad's here. Rock Auto. Just got my parts in from Rock Auto.
Wow.
Earth Aware, New Earth, green. This is green packing. So
no JDM stuff.
The new scarf.
First things first, take off this stripping. Once you get the weather stripping out, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. These are T30s. And then one here and one on the other side. That's a T25. Next, you want to hop in the fender well, and you're going to take out these 8 mils. 1, 2. If you come up top here, you guys can't see it, but trust me, you'll feel it. There's one there. Once you pull this liner back, you'll be able to get access to the very last one, and that should pretty much unbolt the bumper. All right, I'm going to try and show you guys this. You want to reach back in here. And if yours is equipped with the fog lights, you just want to unplug it. So you just grab the bulb itself, twist it clockwise, and it should just pop right up. On the underside, you've got some Phillips heads, which I am actually missing a bunch, but we call that weight reduction. So it's like 1, 2, 3, and there's one more there, 4. Coming back up to the charge pipe, you got to disconnect the MAF sensor. That's just going to be a T25 here and right there. Underneath the intercooler, you've got 1 bolt on each side. It's a T25 again. Just reverse that out. To disconnect the charge pipe, you want to take a flathead and just pry open this metal tab here. Actually, it'd probably be a good idea to pull this line out and get it out of the way, and just pry underneath here onto this, underneath this metal ring.
Alright, well, paddle burn media coming at you. So once you get the charge pipe, you're going to have the gasket, coupler, whatever, to go down to the bottom pipe that connects to the front mount. There's going to be a little C-clamp right here. Get that connected right there if you see it. Yep, now that's focused. So this will clip in to the throttle body. There's an O-ring inside here that you have to replace from the stock pipe, and then reconnect your vacuum lines.
One recommendation, VRSF, please spend 30 minutes, type up a PDF, print 120 of them, however, 5,000, however many you're gonna sell, put it in the box. Give us just a little bit of instruction here, because you gave us nothing, and the parts are plug and play, but you really gotta mess around with them and waste just a lot of time guessing. So do us a favor. Thank you.
So once you connect the throttle body, get the coupler on, you connect the down pipe, go into the front mount, you come around, see the pipe come straight out right there, and then we're gonna put the front mount on. A little stressed out, you know, but front mount's on. Got one of the charge pipes connected over here. Actually, this is the boost pipe side. This goes up to the turbo. You're gonna have that C-clip right there to put back on. After that, you're gonna have to come over, double check this side, make sure that's connected. There's gonna be a C-clip on that side. It's probably gonna run all the way down. Just gotta get the C-clip, adjust the couplers, and it'll be pretty good.
Done. Finally done. I think it's like 11:30 right now. We're gonna go ahead and start it up, make sure there's no boost leaks. I did tighten up the exhaust near the downpipe from after driving it for a week. Things from the heat may have loosened up a little bit, so I'm just gonna crank that down. But we're just gonna check now for any boost leaks before we go ahead and put the front bumper back on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Do that one more time. Give me like $2,000.
Once again, guys, your boy's back home. The installs are done, and I'm just pretty happy that they're done. It's been a lot of work in the past few days, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed the DIYs and kind of the results. I'm gonna get some clips of the exhaust that I'm gonna throw in like right now of the new downpipe, the new charge pipe, and the new front mount intercooler. It's not reflashed to stage 2 yet, that's coming. But for now, I wanted to get you guys some after results, so here they are. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I am just so stoked at how it's come out, and I really need to say a huge thank you to Pat. Pat O'Byrne has been a huge friend to me in the last week and a half, helping me get these parts installed. I know I would have been frustrated doing these parts myself. That's a good word for it. I just get frustrated when I'm doing this stuff and I run into a stuck bolt, or I run into a part I don't really understand fully that I need to know how to install properly. So having a second hand there, having a buddy there is huge. So Pat, thank you, bro. Go follow him, guys. I'll put his tag right over somewhere over here. He's got a dope Subaru Legacy Spec V. It's pretty rare and it sounds nasty. So you guys have seen it in the last vlog. If you haven't, go check it out. Go follow him on Instagram. Pat, thank you. As promised, I wanted to give you a couple hints as to what's coming to the channel. I'm picking up a new car. I'm picking up it's a daily driver, because I've been putting a lot of miles on the BMW. So it's a daily driver, and it's of course gonna be a project car. You know me, and I don't drive stock cars because life is way too short to drive a stock car. So guaranteed I'm gonna be modding it. Guaranteed it's gonna take up a lot of time on this channel. I'm not gonna forget about the BMW, but right now the BMW is pretty mint. So I hope you guys are excited. Here's the 2 hints. The car is in Tennessee. I'm gonna be flying down there and driving it back up. Hint number 2, it's got 2 doors. I've never owned a coupe. I'm pretty excited about this. I can guarantee you none of you guys will guess what it is. Go ahead and comment below if you think you have an idea, but I can almost guarantee you don't know. So I hope you guys are excited. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be dropping that vlog here in the next week or so. I'm stoked. I'll catch up with you guys later. As always, thank you so much for subscribing. I saw all the comments on the last video. You guys are amazing. I love the support. It really keeps me going. And guys, just stay tuned because it's only gonna get better from here. And if this video helped you out, make sure you give it a fat like. Comment down below. I read all the comments. I love to hear what you guys have to say. Most importantly, mash that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.